Final day of the brake repair boot camp. State your name and where you work.
Clay Thompson from Crestmont Cadillac.
Clay, tell me what your week has been like.
It's been great. I love learning new things, and I was coming here to expand my range of knowledge.
And Clay, how long have you been a technician?
About a year and a half.
And as far as the hands-on training, do you feel you're going to be a little bit more efficient when you get back in the shop, possibly even make yourself a little bit more money?
Yeah, that's the goal. Yeah.
So what did you think of your instructor, Jim? How was he with the training this week?
Yeah, he was great with me because I'm a slow learner, so he took his time and explained everything to me, and every question I asked, he answered.
Now that you got to see it firsthand, what would you tell your techs back in your shop? What would you say to them about the training and if they should come here?
That they should open their minds to new things and come learn. I want to say thank you, and I appreciate the opportunity to come learn new things.